Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I come up with few senior UKG Maths worksheets. In the first one, write the missing number. Here kid gonna complete the missing numbers 38, 39, 40, 41, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. So like this kid will be completing this activity. I would suggest please give some colorful activities so that kid will enjoy and they'll give more concentration to do the activities. And second, we have filled the box with color as per the given number. So here kid needs to identify the number which we have given in the circle. Suppose number 2. So kid needs to color the two boxes here. 1 and 2. Again colors will be based on the kid's choice. Number 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 4, 5 and 6. The last we have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this kid gonna do this activity. So next worksheet I've designed for addition. So first one, count and match the number. So here kid needs to count the dots and the ladybug, and based on that kid gonna match the number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. So number 4 here, so kid will be matching to the number 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is here. Number 3 and 7. Next one, count and match. Here kid needs to count the pictures and match the sum. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 2. Next worksheet is subtraction. So here kid will be doing this activity based on the pictures. First one, 6 minus 3. Here we have 6 trees, and in that kid will be crossing out 3 trees. 1, 2, 3 and remaining 1, 2, 3. So answer is 3. So next one, 3 minus 1. 3 flowers. 1 will be crossing out 1 and 2, remaining 2. So 7th leaf. Out of 7, 3 he gonna cross it out. 1, 2, 3 and remaining will be 4. 5 minus 2, 3. 4 minus 2, 2. It will be doing using number lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Remaining 2. 1, 2, 3. 1 will be minusing out 1 and 2. Answer is 2. Like this kid will be doing this activity. And the last one, connect the dots and color the hidden picture. So here kid will be connecting the dots, and this activity will improve identifying the numbers in a sequencing order. As we know that kid will be enjoying doing the coloring activities. Based on that I have designed this activity. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16, and finally he'll be joining out with the number 1. So after that kid will be coloring this picture. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which you are looking for worksheets in the comment section.